salamat sa Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors. Nung una po akong humarap sa camera, never ko na-imagine na makakatanggap ako ng award. This award or any kind of award. Ang importante sa akin nun, mabili ko yung Hello Kitty ko at gawin ko yung best. So, I've been in this industry for almost 5 decades. And showbiz has been my second home. I thank the industry for giving me endless opportunities, invaluable lessons, lifelong friends, and unforgettable memories. This industry also taught me resilience, humility, and the importance of showing up kahit minsan parang sobrang hirap. But this is not me alone. Gusto ko rin pong i-share tong award na to sa lahat ng direktor na naniwala sa akin. Sa lahat ng writers na nagtiwala at ipinagkatiwala ang mga unforgettable characters that they have created. Sa lahat ng mga producers who have given me opportunities. Hindi po mahirap ang maging artista. Hindi po madali ang maging artista. But we're here. And we're doing the best that we can. I'd like to thank, of course, the entertainment editors for always watching us with appreciative hearts and critical eyes. Nang dahil sa inyo, pilit namin ginagalingan ang aming trabaho. And because of recognitions like this, you have allowed us to still be passionate and to continue what we are doing and letting us know that what we do still matters. Thank you rin sa lahat ng mga artistang nakatrabaho ko. Because of you, you have inspired me to always do better with every project. And I have learned lessons from each one of you. Popoy, thank you for being with me in this journey. I thank my children, my family, my grandchildren. I thank you for your unconditional love, your understanding, and your unconditional support through good times and bad. Just know that you are the source of my strength and my inspiration. Of course, gusto kong pasalamatan ang mga audience. You've welcomed me in your homes and in your hearts. At dahil sa inyo, nandito pa rin po ako sa industriya ito. And most of all, I would like to thank God for the talent, for the opportunities, for the blessings. Everything I have and everything I am comes from Him. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa inyo.
Ladies and gents, please welcome once again our Eddie's Movie Icons of the Year.
Congratulations.